Hi guys, welcome to my Daily Dav. I've come for a meeting in Sydney with Wade McDonough, one of our new logistics partners from Slipstream, and we're going to be spending a bit of time together this week doing a deep dive around some different use cases that Wade's working on for his logistics partners and the DAV protocols. Thank you.
Hi guys, so let's start today's daily.
As always. So yesterday I finished doing the job that pulls the addresses that are supposed to be whitelisted and the submitted transactions and the updated transaction status after it's done. I'm actually deploying it right now to the staging environment, and now the part that left is that the transactions that are pending for a certain amount of time, we will resubmit it with higher gas price to make sure that they are included in time.
Great. No?
So yesterday I finished the data collecting process, and I've added the script that presents the Ethereum we've raised. And today I'm going back to work on Captain Skybox.
So yesterday I fixed some small issues in Missions app, some animations and stuff, make it look better, and also as well the DAV Foundation homepage. And that's it.
No, soon enough. Yeah, so today we're going to do a general rehearsal for the real crowd sale. So we're synchronizing everything, and hopefully later on today we can get that running on the mainnet. And we're doing lots of small fixes, getting ready for the crowd sale. Some of that is going to go up on the main site only on Monday, so stay tuned. Bye everyone.
Hey there, Davers. So today we're shooting the network launch video. This is one drone we'll be using as the camera. That's the other one. This is Daniel. He is doing some close-up photos, and we just took some photos of the takeoff, landing, and we'll do a few more soon. Also today I'm going over the script and creating the script for the deployment of different contracts and preparing for a general rehearsal of the entire contract deployment on the mainnet. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I was mostly working in preparation for the coming token sale. I designed the user flow for purchasing DAV tokens and continued on this also today. And I also updated two of our services, so more supported drones on SkySense charging service, and 3 new areas for grads route planning service. This is it for today. Thanks.
Hey guys, yesterday was focused on catching up on emails and helping some of our KYC applicants through the process and making sure we reach out to people who are having trouble. Today I'm going to be catching up also on a bunch more agreements that have come through and organizing all of the data as we move closer to the token sale. See you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers daily meeting for the DailyDAV, and then took a group photo of all the team here in the office. And then me and Tal went to the roof to film the first session of the drone charging video. It was really fun, and we had 2 drones. One filmed the other, as you can see here in the footage. And then I went back to the office to edit the DailyDAV, and then went back to the roof to film the second session of the drone charging video. Now I'm gonna transfer those materials to the computer and reviewing them, and that will be it for me. See you next time.
Hey everyone, it's great to be back. I'm sorry I wasn't around for the last week or so. I had been working, but I hadn't been feeling very well, so it's taken me that long to recover, but I'm back, so here I am. Today I was able to catch up on a whole lot of outstanding email. I'm really glad I managed to do that. Also spent a bit of time with the community in the Telegram channel, and also happy to announce that the Global Robotics Expo is on board as a DAV Alliance member, and looks like that we are now affiliates of Mobi. So more news coming down the pipe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. yesterday and today did a lot of work on all the email segmenting, all the email copy leading up to and through the token sale. We had a great management meeting this morning, and then continued to build out all that email segmenting, email copy. Also started to do some work on the actual script for the contribution video we're going to be publishing right before the actual token sale. Thanks everyone, have a great day.
Hi guys, today I'll start very important task, design pages for our token sales. I'll make it in our clear and dull style. Also I'll make a few new banners for our token sales. After then I'll make new graphic for our social media. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.